Hello friends, today we're going to talk about maps. We're going to talk about why maps are useful and how we know if maps are true or if they're untrue. So I want you guys to take 3 minutes to look at this map.
Okay.
And discuss with yourselves what you think. Do you see things that are right? Do you see things that are wrong? Talk it out amongst yourselves.
Okay. This is like the school.
Yeah,
right here.
that should not be Menor Ave. Should be 615 or Center Street.
Oh, that's true. I didn't even see that. That's a good call. Okay, so we're noticing the street on the left side is marked as Menor Avenue, but it should be marked as Center Street. We're noticing the compass is backwards, right?
Yeah, it's a little funky.
It should be north on the other side.
North and south, the whole thing.
Well, the whole. So we're noticing the compass as well is also not dialed in correctly.
The wings are wrong. Wingly labeled.
Oh, up here I see. I see. Yeah, because A-wing's in the middle, right?
The A-wing should be one.
Yeah. Okay. So we're noticing also the A, B, and C wings are incorrectly labeled.
Talk about some things that you see that are correct.
Okay. I mean the general schools in the right area. Parking lots seem to be correct. The softball fields in the top left seem to look good.
Yeah, all the fields are fine.
Yeah, the football, the soccer field, baseball field, they all look good. The admin building looks like it's in the right place. I don't actually know if the IT department is over there or not, to be honest.
Isn't that in the hub? I don't really remember. It might be in the hub. But,
Yeah.
let's see. The numbers, the hub is fine. The Ogs Gym is fine. Paradigm is fine. Gym is fine. Fine Arts Center is good. Board office looks fine. Yeah. So that's all good. I think that's Munson Road. Yeah.
Yeah, that's Munson. Yeah. Anything else you'd like us to look at?
No, nice job. So let me ask you, from this map that we have here, what was it a map of?
It is a map of Menor High School campus.
Nice job. And did you see that from the title?
I did, yes.
Good. And so I want to take a second and talk about some key things that were incorrect. I know that you guys noticed that the wings were incorrect.
Mm-hmm.
Now, did you use this up here to locate the buildings down here? Do you know what this is called?
Legend.
Yeah, it's called a legend or a key. So what different instances would be important for people to know where things are on a map?
If they were trying to get to a certain place, like the hub, for example, you could look at the legend or key and see that the hub is at number 4. And then you could go to where number 4 is marked on the map.
Nice job. And how did you guys know that these things were wrong?
Just from experience being there, having gone to the school and knowing where certain things are, just kind of from memory.
Mm-hmm. So you know that if you're in a space, you can tell where it is on the map.
Yes.
Nice job, because you know. So, how did you guys know that Menor Ave is not right there? Justin, I think that you pointed that one out.
That out. You know, when I was on the way there, I noticed that the street sign was Center Street,
Nice
not
job.
Monterey.
And I'm sure that if we looked at a bigger map of Menor, you could point out Menor on the map.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now, final question. We don't really need a map for Menor High because we've all been there multiple times. But when could maps be useful for us?
If we're in places we're not familiar with, and we don't really know where things are, we could use the map to help us figure out where we need to go.
And if we were lost or wanted to explore a new place, it's important for the key to be right.
Correct.
Mm-hmm.
And what's another important aspect of the map that needs to be correct, that wasn't correct on this map?
Just the locations of where everything was.
Mm-hmm.
No street name.
Mm-hmm.
The street names, yep. Just making sure everything's labeled correctly in both the key and on the map.
Compass.
Oh yeah, the compass as well.
The compass, because does north, south, east, and west change depending on where you are?
No.
No.
No, it's always the same. So that's one thing that's going to be on every single map that tells you exactly where you need to go. So when you look at a new map, what are some things you need to look for?
I would say like different street names
Mm-hmm.
to know where you are.
More generally, like how do you know where you're at?
Oh, there's a title.
The title
The
and
address.
an address potentially. What other map features help you?
The compass.
The compass and
Street name? Oh, the key
the
and or
key.
legend.
Yes, nice job, you guys. That was some good learning. Do you have any other questions about maps before we get into our deeper lesson?
No, I don't think so.
I'm good.
All right, nice job, you guys. Good learning.